Hello guys, today I wanted to share with you the most simple style hack that will instantly improve the look of any outfit. The best part about this simple trick is it works no matter what type of outfit you're wearing. Whether that's suit and tie, business, casual, going out on the town, doesn't matter. All we have to do is match our shoes, our belt, and our watch, and it'll make us look much more put together and stylish. For example, if we're wearing black shoes, we will match it with a black belt. And if our watch band is fabric or leather, we'll match that as well. And again here we've got our brown shoes, we'll pair it with a brown belt and a brown banded watch. It really is that simple, and it instantly brings your outfit together regardless of the occasion. Now to take this to the next level, if your shoes have any buckles or metal accents like these do, we can match the metal color in our belt buckle and the watch case or band. This really may be the most easy method for making any outfit look that much better. For more videos on elevating your style to its true form, subscribe below. Ciao.